Bidets have become the quiet revolution, redefining what everyday comfort and hygiene mean. From instant warm water washes that soothe and refresh, to motion-sensing lids, precision stainless steel nozzles, and even soft LED nightlights that guide your late-night visits, they're the new essentials. Whether you're chasing high-tech luxury, eco-friendly living, or just a better morning start, these top bidets will transform your life. Let's explore. All product links are provided in the description. TOTO WASHLET Plus Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. Its instant and continuous warm water stream delivers a refreshing spa-like cleanse every time. The Air-in Wonder Wave gently infuses air into each droplet, ensuring an effective yet soothing wash. Enjoy total convenience with the automatic open and close lid that senses your approach, a soft nightlight to guide you in the dark, and compatibility with an auto flush kit. Sold separately. Peace of mind comes standard. Premise keeps the bowl cleaner by preventing waste from sticking, while eWater Plus sanitizes the wand and bowl before and after use. With 2 personalized user memory settings and an intuitive remote, your perfect clean is always one touch away. Trusted by over 60 million users worldwide, the TOTO WASHLET Plus blends proven reliability with DIY-friendly installation, fitting most toilets seamlessly. SmartBidet Toilet Seat Electric Attachment. This SmartBidet seat offers rear, front, and oscillating wash modes, adjustable water pressure across 6 levels, and instant access to warm water for a soothing cleanse. Stay cozy year-round with heated seat, dryer, and water functions, each customizable to 6 warmth levels. Thoughtful engineering ensures these features activate only when seated, keeping kids and pets safe. A built-in nightlight provides soft illumination, while the gentle closing mechanism prevents disruptive bangs. Beyond comfort, embrace an eco-friendly lifestyle. Reduce reliance on paper and save electricity with the one-touch energy-saving mode on the remote. The installation is straightforward, blending seamlessly into your bathroom. Electric toilet seat bidet with warm water and dryer experience, effortless cleanliness, and daily comfort with this feature-packed electric bidet seat. Enjoy a soothing wash from the self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle, which maintains hygiene before and after each use. Choose from 3 adjustable temperatures for warm water, seat heating, and the warm air dryer, perfect for chilly mornings. A gentle night light softly brightens midnight visits without disturbing your sleep. The ultra-thin, tankless design ensures your bathroom stays sleek and modern, while installation is quick and straightforward, no bulky water tank needed. The quiet, gentle close lid prevents noisy disruptions, adding to your peaceful routine. Say goodbye to wasteful toilet paper and hello to hands-free drying. Though remote control isn't included, side panel only, operation remains intuitive. Designed to blend effortlessly into any decor, it offers the perfect balance of practicality, comfort, and hygiene. Transform each trip to the bathroom into a calming, spa-like ritual. DCO2 iCleaningo Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. Bring true luxury to your bathroom with the DCO2 iCleaningo Bidet Seat. Installation is a breeze with a simple brass T connector, while the bidet itself dazzles with 42 customizable LED lighting patterns and a dual-ring, illuminated seat that turns every trip into an experience. The auto-open and close lid adjusts via radar sensing, powered by ultra-quiet Japanese motors for discreet comfort. Enjoy endless warm water, precision 50-degree spray, and a powerful 25,000 RPM dryer for quick, comfortable drying. A 360-degree handheld sprayer offers even greater flexibility and hygiene. Advanced temperature software keeps water consistently warm no matter the city supply. With thoughtful design, high-end features, and user-friendly controls, it's not just a toilet seat, it's a statement of innovation and comfort. Whether you seek luxury, practicality, or both, the DCO2 iCleaningo elevates your bathroom routine into a fully customizable daily retreat. Alpha Bidet UXA Pearl Auto Bidet Toilet Seat. The motorized lid opens when you approach and gently closes as you leave, creating a completely hands-free experience. Enjoy endless warm water thanks to its energy-efficient tankless ceramic core heater, ensuring no uncomfortable temperature dips. The arced stainless steel nozzle minimizes splashback for superior hygiene, while a built-in deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. A soft LED nightlight activates automatically, perfect for late-night visits. Customize your wash and comfort with 2 programmable user presets and easy access shortcut functions, making advanced features intuitive and user-friendly. Additional highlights include a warm air dryer for gentle, paper-free drying, and the Pure Breeze bowl freshener that maintains cleanliness. Thoughtfully designed to blend luxury with daily practicality, the UXA Pearl Auto transforms every visit into a calm, hygienic ritual. Upgrade your daily routine with technology that quietly works for you. Effortlessly clean, endlessly warm, and fully customizable. Coway Bidet Mega 500S Electronic Bidet Toilet Seat. Discover a premium clean with Coway's Bidet Mega 500S, crafted for next-level hygiene and comfort. Its iWave technology delivers multi-stage customizable washing, including move, wide, air plus, and adjustable pressure settings. Enjoy uninterrupted warm water with the tankless heating system, saving energy and cutting down on paper waste. An auto open and close lid, gentle nightlight, and deodorizer, powered by activated carbon, bring convenience and freshness to every visit. Triple hygiene care keeps your seat spotless with a water shield mist, UV sterilization, and self-cleaning stainless nozzle. Personalize your experience with the remote control and user profiles, perfect for families, including a child mode for gentle cleaning. This is more than just a bidet. It's a complete hygiene upgrade designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. From early mornings to late nights, the Coway Bidet Mega 500S makes every trip comfortable, clean, and surprisingly enjoyable. SmartBidet SB3000 Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Enjoy comfort and complete customization with the SmartBidet SB3000. Its hybrid heating system offers unlimited on-demand warm water, keeping you comfortable on chilly mornings. Choose between posterior wash, feminine wash, or turbo wash for powerful cleansing and even relieve constipation with the spiral stream wash. The 3-in-1 stainless steel nozzle self-cleans before and after each use, while the inside-out nozzle flush removes internal buildup for lasting hygiene. A soft LED nightlight guides you at night without blinding brightness. Controlled via a sleek remote with screen, adjust water temperature, seat warmth, and spray pressure effortlessly. The slim design fits elegantly on elongated toilets and is easy to install. More than features, it's a promise of daily freshness, convenience, and confidence. Discover how thoughtful engineering and user-focused design combine to redefine what a bathroom experience should feel like. Clean, warm, and fully in your control. BioBidet Discovery DLS Electric Bidet Toilet Seat. Redefine your daily routine with the BioBidet Discovery DLS, blending sleek design with practical innovation. Enjoy fully adjustable water temperature and pressure for a gentle, tailored clean, using the stainless steel nozzle for front and rear wash. The slim, modern silhouette includes an auto-open and slow-close lid for hands-free convenience, ideal for everyone, from busy parents to seniors recovering from surgery. The warm air dryer and heated seat add cozy comfort, while the built-in nightlight makes midnight visits safe and serene. Use the wireless remote to personalize every detail, ensuring your routine feels uniquely yours. Installation is DIY friendly, with everything you need included, no plumber required. Whether you're reducing paper waste, supporting postpartum recovery, or simply seeking greater daily comfort, the Discovery DLS proves that water truly does it better. Make every visit to the bathroom an effortless blend of hygiene, ease, and understated luxury. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more product recommendations.